is a wonderful opportunity for all students, including Ukrainians, to improve their knowledge of medicine and also to upgrade their level of English related to medicine. Big thanks to organizers and administration of university for organizing such an outstanding project for us.
Gradient has been wonderfully helping all the students to know what is practical knowledge, and it's been really helpful for them to grasp the concepts easily.
As a founder of this organization, I feel overwhelmed to tell you that it's just not our efforts but also your efforts that all the students coming to us are learning very nice.